हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जीके खजाना की क्लास में आपका स्वागत है। हम 10 मिनट में जीके के क्वेश्चंस करते हैं। आइए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से शुरू करते हैं। हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग वाज द फर्स्ट वुमेन प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस? करेक्ट आंसर एनी बेसेंट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन विच ईयर वाज द फर्स्ट सेशन ऑफ द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस हेल्ड? करेक्ट आंसर 1885। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द बनारस सेशन ऑफ द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस इन 1905 वाज प्रिसाइडेड ओवर बाई? करेक्ट आंसर गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग वाज द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस? करेक्ट आंसर उमेश चंद्र बनर्जी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following is an example of the first garden tomb on the Indian subcontinent? The correct answer Humayun tomb. Next question, in 1927 where was the conference against colonial oppression and imperialism in which Jawaharlal Nehru participated on behalf of Indian National Congress held? Correct answer Brussels. Next question, which of the following sessions of the Indian National Congress was headed by Sarojini Naidu? Correct answer Kanpur 1925. Next question, which event brought about the profound change in Ashoka's administrative policy? Correct answer the Kalinga War. Next question, under which of the following acts was Warren Hastings appointed as the Governor General of Bengal? The correct answer Regulating Act 1773. Next question, the Indian reformer Jyoti Rao Phule was primarily critical of which social evil of the Indian society? The correct answer caste discrimination. Next question, Chand Minar at Daulatabad is a 210 feet high tapering tower divided into fill in the blanks storage. Correct answer 4 stories. Next question, match the monuments with the respective builders. तो हमारा देखते हैं पहले करेक्ट आंसर क्या है। करेक्ट आंसर होगा हमारा ए का 3 यानी कि जामा मस्जिद शाहजहां, बी का 4 यानी कि हमारा होगा इलाहाबाद फोर्ट अकबर। उसी तरह से सी का 2 यानी कि होगा हमारा कोयला ई कुन्हन मस्जिद शेरशाह, और डी का 1 जामा मस्जिद एट संभल, डी का 1 यानी बाबर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं, द सर्वेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया सोसाइटी वाज फाउंडेड बाय विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फ्रीडम फाइटर्स? तो करेक्ट आंसर गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द राज्यसभा? तो करेक्ट आंसर होगा इसका इट इज नोन एज द काउंसिल ऑफ द स्टेट्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच हाउस इज कंसिडर्ड एज लोअर हाउस इन स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर? तो करेक्ट आंसर विधानसभा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेयर वाज इंडिया हाउस इस्टेब्लिश टू वर्क फॉर इंडिया लिबरेशन फ्रॉम ब्रिटिश पोजेशन? तो करेक्ट आंसर लंदन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लैंग्वेज वाज यूज्ड बाय द संगम पोएट्स फॉर कंपोजिंग द टेक्स्ट? तो करेक्ट आंसर तमिल। हु वाज अपॉइंटेड एज द गवर्नर ऑफ बंगाल बाय सुल्तान बलबन आफ्टर द रिवोल्ट एंड सब्सिक्वेंट डेथ ऑफ तुगरिल बेग? तो करेक्ट आंसर बुगरा खान। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द एलिप्टिकल शेप्स इन टेम्पल्स आर्किटेक्चर इन द्रविडियन स्टाइल्स आर नोन बाय विच गिवन टर्म्स? तो करेक्ट आंसर गजा परिस्त। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग वाज नॉट एसोसिएटेड विद द प्रार्थना सभा? तो प्रार्थना सभा संबंधित हमारे आरजी भंडारकर, गोविंद रानाडे, आत्माराम पांडुरंग है। महात्मा गांधी नहीं थे। करेक्ट आंसर महात्मा गांधी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द शुद्धि मूवमेंट टू रिकॉन्वर्ट टू द हिंदू फोल्ड द कन्वर्ट्स टू अदर रिलीजियंस वाज स्टार्टेड बाय विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? तो करेक्ट आंसर आर्य समाज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द ऑल इंडिया किसान सभा वाज फाउंडेड इन लखनऊ इन अप्रैल? करेक्ट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद स्वामी सहजानंद सरस्वती एज ए प्रेसिडेंट? तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा 1936 में ऑल इंडिया किसान सभा का फाउंडेशन हुआ था लखनऊ में। इसके प्रेसिडेंट थे सहजानंद सरस्वती। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लीडर्स डाइड आफ्टर बीइंग हिट बाय स्टिक्स व्हाइल प्रोटेस्टिंग अगेंस्ट द साइमन कमीशन? तो करेक्ट आंसर लाला लाजपत राय। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द फाउंडर ऑफ बहमनी किंगडम हु एज्यूम्ड द टाइटल अलाउद्दीन हसन बहमन शाह वाज फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स? तो करेक्ट आंसर हसन गंगू। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिवोल्यूशनरी हु was arrested in Lahore conspiracy case by the British government of India was martyred in the hunger strike of 63 days in jail? The correct answer Jatindra Nath Das. Next question, which of the following architectural element is excluded from the construction sites of the Indus Valley civilization? तो correct answer iron slabs. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन 1917 महात्मा गांधी स्टार्टेड ही फर्स्ट सत्याग्रह इन इंडिया अगेंस्ट द पोस्ट कल्टिवेशन ऑफ इंडिगो बाय यूरोपियन इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ ब्रिटिश इंडिया? करेक्ट आंसर चंपारण। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हेन वाज द फर्स्ट राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस स्टार्टेड बाय द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट इन लंदन? करेक्ट आंसर नवंबर 1930। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राज तरंगिनी ए विविड अकाउंट ऑफ द किंग्स ऑफ कश्मीर वाज कंपोज्ड बाय कल्हण इन द फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स लैंग्वेज? तो करेक्ट आंसर संस्कृत लैंग्वेज। राज तरंगिनी किसके द्वारा लिखा गया था? तो कल्हण के द्वारा। किस लैंग्वेज में? संस्कृत। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिटीज वाज द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ थियोसॉफिकल सोसाइटी एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन ब्रिटिश इंडिया? तो करेक्ट आंसर होगा इसका अड्यार सिटी। हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग स्टार्टेड द खिलाफत मूवमेंट अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट? तो करेक्ट आंसर शौकत अली एंड मोहम्मद अली। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग इंडियन लीडर्स वाज द फर्स्ट मेंबर टू बी इलेक्टेड टू द ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट? तो करेक्ट आंसर दादा भाई नौरोजी। द टाइटल ऑफ चीफ ऑफ द मर्चेंट्स एंड मलिकुट तुज्जर वाज कॉन्फर्ड ऑन महमूद गवान बाय विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बहमन किंग्स? तो करेक्ट आंसर हुमायूं शाह। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द रॉक कट इन Karnataka, mainly at Badami and Aihole, were built under the patronage of the fill in the blanks? The correct answer चालुक्याज। बादामी अहिहोल किसके द्वारा बनाया गया था? किसके कंस्ट्रक्शन में? चालुक्याज के अंदर। When was the जालियांवाला बाग मैसेकर brought into the action by the Britishers in अमृतसर? The correct answer 13 अप्रैल 1919। Next question, which among the following dynasty originated from the Yuezhi tribe of China? The correct answer Kusan। Next question, who among the following social reformer ruled out the practice of sati on the basis of Hindu religious texts? तो correct answer राजा राम मोहन राय। Next question, जालियांवाला बाग is located in which city? Correct answer अमृतसर। Who was the court poet of King Harshvardhan? तो correct answer बाणभट्ट। Next question, Balban's rule as an absolute despot led to which of the following event? तो correct answer destructions of the 40। Next question, the Ganesh Rath is one of the finest monolithic temples at? तो correct answer Mahabalipuram। Next question, the word megalith comes from the fill in the blanks words? Megaz means great and lithaj means stone। तो correct answer Greek word है ये। Next question, where was the Hindu college established in the year 1791 to teach ancient Sanskrit texts? तो correct answer बनारस। Next question, the Taj Mahal was built by who among the following? The correct answer Shahjahan। Next question, when was the All Bengal Student Conference held in the chairmanship of Jawaharlal Nehru? तो correct answer 1928। Next question, who among the following founded the सत्यशोधक समाज in 1873? तो इसका correct answer होगा ज्योतिबा फूले। Next question, the founders of Vijayanagar Empire हरिहर and बुक्का राज were the ministers of? तो करेक्ट आंसर होगा इसका, ये कहाँ के मिनिस्टर थे? काम्पिली के। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग फॉर्म्ड ए ग्रुप ऑफ नॉन वायलेंट रिवोल्यूशनरी द खुदाई खिदमतगार्स? तो करेक्ट आंसर होगा इसका खान अब्दुल गफ्फार खान। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु डिस्कवर्ड द भरहुत स्तूप? तो करेक्ट आंसर अलेक्जेंडर कुनिंघम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द टर्म for a dome-shaped monument that contains sacred relics in Buddhism? तो करेक्ट आंसर होगा इसका स्तूपा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द बुलंद दरवाजा was the structure built by Akbar at which of the following places in India? तो करेक्ट आंसर फतेहपुर सीकरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इंट्रोड्यूस ऑब्जेक्टिव रिजोल्यूशन इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली? तो करेक्ट आंसर जवाहरलाल नेहरू। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टाइप्स ऑफ वोल्केनिक इरप्शंस ऑफ अर्थ वोल्केनोज आर मोस्ट एक्सप्लोसिव? तो करेक्ट आंसर होगा कैल्डेरा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ओक एंड चेस्टनट ट्रीज आर फाउंड इन टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट इन इंडिया? तो करेक्ट आंसर माउंटेन फॉरेस्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन विच ईयर वाज द फर्स्ट सोशल इकोनॉमिक एंड कास्ट सेंसस कंडक्टेड इन इंडिया? तो करेक्ट आंसर 2011। विच यूनियन टेरिटरी हैड मिनिमम लिटरेसी रेट एज पर 2011 सेंसस? तो करेक्ट आंसर दादरा एंड नगर हवेली। The Rabi season of agriculture begin in October, November and ends in? The correct answer March, April. Next question, in which part of India is cool mountain climate observed? The correct answer north. Which state ranked highest in terms of literacy rate in the 1991 census and the whole literacy rate was higher than the national average? The correct answer Kerala. Next question, according to census 2011 what is the sex ratio of India? The correct answer 943. Next question. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India mentions that every minister and the Attorney General of India shall have the right to speak in and participate in the proceedings of either House of Parliament? तो correct answer Article 88. Next question. Which of the following articles mentions about the appropriation bills in the state legislature? तो इसका correct answer होगा हमारा Article 204. Next question. Which of the following articles is automatically suspended when the emergency is declared on the grounds of external aggregation? तो correct answer Article 19. Next question. Under the Article 165, the governor appoints a person who is qualified to the appointment a judge of a high court to be the fill in the blanks for the state. So correct answer Advocate General. Next question. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India emphasizes the participation of workers in the management of industry? So correct answer Article 43A. Next question. According to Article fill in the blanks, no religious instruction shall be provided in any educational institution wholly maintained out of state funds. तो correct answer होगा Article 28. Next question. The right to freedom of religion is covered under which articles of the Constitution of India? तो correct answer Article 25 से लेकर 28 तक. Next question. The directive principle of state policy are considered fundamental in the governance of the country, but they are not enforceable by any court. This concept is mentioned in which article? The Article 37. Next question. In 1976, in which part of the Indian Constitution under Article 51 were fundamental duties added? The correct answer Part 4A. According to Article 74 first, who is the head of the Council of Ministers? The correct answer Prime Minister. Next question. Which of the following articles on fundamental duties was added to the Indian Constitution by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act? The correct answer होगा 51A. Next question. As per the Article 51A of the Constitution of India, fundamental duty H is the develop the fill in the blanks humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform. तो इसका correct answer होगा scientific temper. Next question. According to Article, which article of the Constitution of India especially addresses the qualification of the officers of the President? The correct answer Article 58. According to Article fill in the blanks, there shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens in matters relating to employment or appointment to any office under the state. So correct answer Article 16. Next question. Article fill in the blanks supplements the 11th fundamental duty of the Indian Constitution. The correct answer Article 21. Next question. Which articles of the Constitution of India provide for a parliamentary form of government at the center? So correct answer होगा Article 74 and 75. Next question. Promotion of educational and economic interest of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other weaker sections comes under which article of the Indian Constitution? So correct answer Article 96. Next question. Which of the following rights is mentioned in Article 21 of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer right to freedom, protection of life and personal liberty. Next question. Which article deals with the provisions in case of failure of the constitutional machinery in the states? The correct answer Article 356. Which article of the Constitution of India governs the population census? The correct answer 246. Article 246 population census से संबंधित है. Next question. As per the Article 163 of the Constitution of India, any advice tendered by ministers to the fill in the blanks shall not be inquired into any court. The correct answer Governor. Next question. Which article of the Constitution directs the Council of Ministers to add and advise the Governor? The correct answer Article 163. Which of the following articles of the Constitution mentions that there shall be paid to the judges of the Supreme Court such salary as may be determined by the Parliament by law and until provision in that behalf is so made, such salary as specified in the second schedule? The correct answer Article 125. Next question. Which article of the Constitution of India lays down qualification for the membership of the Parliament? The correct answer Article 84. Next question. Which of the following articles of the Constitution has provisions that all executive actions of the Government of India shall be expressed to be taken in the name of the President? The correct answer Article 77 first. Next question. The basic structure of Indian Constitution stands on Government of India Act. The correct answer 1935. Next question, which article of the Constitution of India states that the Parliament consists of the President of India and the two houses of Parliament known as Council of States and House of the People? The correct answer, Article 79. According to Article 51A of the Indian Constitution, it is a fundamental duty of every person to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. The correct answer, integrity of India. Next question, the parliamentary form of government is a key feature given in the Indian Constitution and its provisions are detailed in articles fill in the blanks of part 5. तो करेक्ट आंसर 79 to 182. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द प्राइम मिनिस्टर इन इंडिया इज, तो करेक्ट आंसर होगा द रियल एग्जीक्यूटिव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड एनिमल हस्बेंड्री इज इंक्लूडेड इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर्टिकल्स ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? तो करेक्ट आंसर आर्टिकल 48. Which article of the Constitution of India provides provision for appointment of the same person as the governor for 2 or more states? तो correct answer article 153. Next question, which article of the Indian Constitution was provisions of the appointment of High Court judges? तो correct answer article 217. Next question, under which of the following articles is right to equality mentioned? तो correct answer 14 से 18. Which article of the Indian Constitution states the following? DPSP are fundamental in the governance of the country and it shall be a duty of the state to apply this principle in making law. The correct answer article 37. Next question, the institution like Lokpal or Lokayukt was first created in which of the following countries? The correct answer Sweden. Next question, which of the following acts provided for a system of tribunals and a ban on strikes? The correct answer the Trade Disputes Act 1929. Next question, which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the appointment and duties of the Attorney General of India? The correct answer article 76. Next question, which article states that it shall be a duty of every citizen of India to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and national anthem? The correct answer 51A का A. Next question, which of the following articles of the Constitution of India provides for the promotion of international peace and security? The correct answer article 51. Which of the following correctly describes the natural and Indian Constitution? तो करेक्ट आंसर होगा neither rigid nor flexible. Next question, the universal adult franchise in Indian Constitution is applicable to Indian citizens from the age of, तो 18 साल से. करेक्ट आंसर 18 years. Next question, from which of the following countries has the Indian Constitution borrowed the concept of the concurrent list? The correct answer Australia. Next question, which of the following features of the Indian Constitution is taken from US's Constitution? The correct answer removal of Supreme Court judges. Next question, which chapter of Part 6 of Indian Constitution is concerned with the state legislature? The correct answer chapter 3rd. Next question, with which of the following amendment acts of the Indian Constitution was 11 fundamental duty added? The correct answer 86th amendment. Next question, the rule of law is a key feature of Indian Constitutions which is doctrine ascribed to fill in the blanks. The correct answer Albert Van Dyke. Next question, if an Indian citizen is denied entry to a public place because of his caste, which of the following fundamental rights is denied to him? The correct answer right to equality. Next question, the Constitution of India has borrowed many provisions from different countries as well as from the Government of India Act of, correct answer 1935. Next question, the number of Rajya Sabha members to be elected from each state of India has been fixed by the fill in the blank schedule of the Constitution. The correct answer 4th. Next question, which of the following is observed on the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan? The correct answer Teachers Day. Next question, by which of the following amendments was the right to property removed from Part 3rd of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer 44th Amendment Act. आज भर के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग और भी क्वेश्चन करेंगे. तब तक के लिए थैंक्स, बाय.